Okay, we have a very special treat for you tonight. Kid Constitution, Mr. Luke Boyce, is going to recite the first 10 amendments, the entire Bill of Rights. How many of you can say you can do that? Yeah, I know, there's one out there. Now, this is the deal. He is competing. So, and he's being recorded tonight for this competition. So, we can't clap until you see him put the microphone down. You will know he's going to say something and he'll put the microphone down. Then you can scream and cheer and do everything you can do. Stand up and holler and hoot, okay? But I am going to introduce him in just a second, and when he comes out, quiet, let him do his thing, and then we can let loose when he drops the microphone, okay? Okay, we have a special guest tonight who has something very important to say to all of you. You ready?
The first 10 amendments of our U.S. Constitution are known as our Bill of Rights. The First Amendment. Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof or abridging the freedom of speech or to press or the right of the people peaceably to assemble and to petition the government for redress of grievances. The Second Amendment. The one that protects all of the others. A well-regulated militia being necessary to the security of a free state. The right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. The Third Amendment. No soldier shall in time of peace be quartered in any house without the consent of the owner, nor in time of war, but in a manner to be prescribed by law. The Fourth Amendment. The right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrants shall issue but upon probable cause, supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized. The Fifth Amendment. No person shall be held to answer for capital or otherwise infamous crime unless on a presentment or indictment of a grand jury, except in cases arising in the land or naval forces or in the militia, when in actual service in time of war or public danger, nor shall any person be subject for the same offense to be tried for jeopardy of life or limb, nor shall be compelled in any criminal case to be a witness against himself, nor be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor shall private property be taken for public use without just compensation. The Sixth Amendment. In all criminal prosecutions, the accused shall enjoy the right to a speedy and public trial by an impartial jury of the standing district wherein the crime shall have been committed, which district shall have been previously ascertained by law, and to be informed of the nature and cause of the accusation, to be confronted with the witnesses against him, to have compulsory process for obtaining witnesses in his favor, and to have assistance of counsel for his defense. The Seventh Amendment. In suits at common law where the value and controversy shall exceed $20, the right of trial by jury shall be preserved, and no fact tried by a jury shall be otherwise re-examined in any court of the United States than according to the rules of the common law. The Eighth Amendment. Excessive bail shall not be required, nor excessive fines imposed, nor cruel and unusual punishments inflicted. The Ninth Amendment. The enumeration in the Constitution of certain rights shall not be construed to deny or disparage others obtained by the people. The Tenth Amendment. The one that protects states' rights. The powers not delegated to the United States by the Constitution, nor prohibited by to the states, are reserved to the states respectively or to the people. We, the children of the United States, are asking you, grown-ups, to please stand up for the Constitution so we can also grow up in freedom.
Hell yeah!